Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is February 12th when I'm recording this, and I hope you guys are doing well and enjoyed the weekend. And anybody watching Super Bowl, was that the outcome that you expected? And I also think there were quite a few records that were broken over the weekend too, and something about overtime. So, go check out some of those stats. And if you guys are going to watch the replay of the Super Bowl, basically it's the second half that was really the most interesting. You can throw away the first half. It's pretty dull. Anyway, the market is up. It continues to be up. It does seem a little bit frothy, but also we don't want to fight that, because the interesting thing that I'm seeing is that if we look at the equal weight, which is the RSP, it is just now breaking out and firing a fresh Moxie price trigger. Today's Monday, so as of Friday, we got a fresh trigger. In fact, I saw a lot of fresh Moxie price triggers on a lot of charts on the hourly chart across the board. So that's really great. And you can even see the RSP tested this trend line a while ago, and it's stayed up ever since then. The IWM, this is something we've been watching closely to see, because this is kind of the canary in the coal mine. If this thing keeps going, the market, of course, is going to keep going. And not only has it broken past this horizontal resistance, on Friday it broke past the diagonal resistance. And again, there's your double bottom, there's your positive divergence, and there's your Moxie price trigger. So we are getting a lot of strong Moxie signals here, which is why I like to kind of call the indicator the Moxie indicator. And then we can even look at the mid-caps MDY, and it looks like RSP basically, and you can see even this one is starting to go, just flagged right into the uptrending daily 50. Maybe call that a double bottom. There's your positive divergence, and again, fresh Moxie price trigger, and it's breaking out. So yeah, this market is looking pretty good. Of course, it's kind of like we're seeing all or nothing, because there are a lot of stocks that are not doing well, but then the ones that are doing well are just going crazy and doing very, very well. Breadth has continued to be weak, so you definitely need to make sure you're in the right stocks, and some of those are ARM. So we got into this one even though it was up and extended, but we're already up 26% on this one. It was upwards of 40% this morning and came down a little bit. That's fine. And you know what? I'm even looking to see if net is going to do something like this, because, it's up. So we're going to see if this thing does something with that. We've also been in a handful of the crypto stocks, crypto miners, and they have been doing well. This is why I've been bullish on the crypto miners, even despite the pullback. It was just a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing, but I was looking for this to set up. And sure enough, there again is the Moxie price trigger. So double bottom, positive divergence, there's your trigger. And as I said, we're seeing a lot of those out there. Very, very exciting, and pretty happy to see what we're getting. We'll just have to see how long this bubble, this mania, this craziness can last. But so far, there's no fighting it. So let's kind of keep going with it, find the opportunities, and jump into it. We are running a President's Day sale. So if you guys are interested in picking up the Moxie indicator at a discount, if you guys don't have it already, then come on over to simplertrading.com. And you can check it out, save up 30% on not only the indicators, but also the Moxie trading room. So yeah, come use this. It's going to be USA24 is the code. Come on over and talk to our customer support if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the room. Thanks, guys. Catch you later.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.